Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love a good slouchy purse that I can fit my entire life in. I'm literally not kidding when I call this my Mary Poppins bag. I can fit so much in this purse. Blofinche has made this gorgeous navy blue leather bag that has so many pockets and so much storage, and she is just so beautiful. She came to me perfectly packaged and very well preserved. And I love that you can see the difference from when she first came to me and a few weeks of using and how gorgeous she wears in. She comes with two different straps that you can attach onto the bag, as well as the handles that are always attached. You have one that you can make nice and long, but this one is my preferred. It is just so beautiful, and I love that she has feet on the bottom. It really is just the perfect bag. If you've been looking for a high quality leather bag that is going to literally fit everything you could possibly need inside of it, you're going to want to get this one, and that is my point of view.